systems.
Go.
Engines.
Go.
Onboard computers.
Go.
Fuel tanks.
Go.
Payload.
Go.
5, 4, 3, 2.
So L40s have been ignited
+1
and
+2
it's a liftoff of the S-139 stage. A very majestic liftoff from the second launch pad.
+10 seconds.
रॉकेट काफी गड़गड़ाहट के साथ इस समय जो है अपने गंतव्य की ओर।
139 and the L40's performance normal.
So we just now heard the announcement. L40s and S-139 stage is performing nominally. And the vehicle is piercing through the clouds.
इस समय रॉकेट जो है 250 मीटर ऊपर पहुंच चुका है और यहाँ हमको इतनी दूर बैठने के बाद भी काफी तेजी से गड़गड़ाहट की आवाज सुनाई पड़ रही है।
So we are at 47 seconds after liftoff. The first event that we look forward now is
सबसे पहले हमको ये देखना होगा कि ये
How can we launch a payload to Mars without GSLV?
Yes, it has failed to launch.
Can we launch it using PSLV?
But how?
We'll use its own thrusters to put.
We can, but we need to make the orbiter light. I will ask the ISRO chief about this plan.
But PSLV can only put it in Earth's orbit.
Okay, so we need SE200 engines with a thrust of 414. We also need RCS thrusters to rotate the probe.
So let's start designing the probe. We can only put 6 to 7 payload experiments on the probe due to weight.
We will put Mars color camera, infrared camera, and methane sensors.
We also need Lyman alpha photometer, exospheric natural composition analyzer.
Just working hard on India's satellite to Mars, Mangalyaan. India's satellite will take more than 9 months to go to the red planet, a very difficult and arduous journey, which is why it has been coated in this golden wrapped film, a film which will protect it from the heat and cold it faces. India preparing to rendezvous with Mars. The mission also offers a real opportunity to beat China in reaching the red planet. The first step towards a giant leap.
Golden wrap.
Thermal systems.
Go.
Engines.
Go.
Onboard computers.
Go.
Fuel tanks.
Go.
Payload.
Go.
4, 3, 2,
ये दे प्रज्वलन हुआ।
1, 0.
ये दोनों जो ग्राउंडेड स्टेप आने उनका भी
+5
प्रज्वलन हुआ।
seconds.
Lift off normal. T3
Perfect
tracking.
liftoff, a normal liftoff, and PSLV is up in the sky.
Will the engine start?
It should.